Hello everyone and welcome back to the new episode of Polybridge 2. So today we are going to build a new level and let's see where we left. Okay, so we left at roundabout. We completed this and then we had to do double decker highway. So let's start this level. Okay, I did some these things just for fun. If you would like to watch, I'll play it. Let me play it in normally. You can see this is a spring, so it is intact at place. But I'm not going to use this. It was just for fun, so I'm going to delete this thing. And first of all, this is a very uh, long highway that is 38 meters. So we're gonna use a normal road here, and for the bottom part, like here, clear this one, select it again, select a new shape and connect it here to this point. Okay, so let me bring it down. Oh, what is this? Are these thunders? What are these? I don't know. Okay, so let's bring these nodes a little down like this. We can also make a straight something like this, or we can make it something like this. Let's make it interesting. Okay, I think this would be fine because we're gonna use this to support the upper bridge too, so something like this would be fine. Let's fill it with road. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I'm going to add okay, uh, these members anchors can be used for supporting the mid bridge, and this anchor and this anchor can be used to support the sides of the bridge. So let's use wood as our first try, and let's see how is this going to work. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so this is not enough. Let's connect these as trusses. Let's do it like this cause the member is going to. Okay, let's make something like, let me do something. I'll tell you in a while what am I going trying to do. Let me draw a straight line here, then fill it with normal road. Now I'm going to use a shape from here to the mid of this, and then let's make it something in the mid. I think this is fine. Let's fill it with normal wood. Okay, fine. Now let's connect these with the help of wood. Okay, let's speed up this process. See where we can connect these. So we cannot connect these. Let's do it like this. Okay, we cannot go there, we cannot go there, we cannot go there. Okay, so we're not able to connect this simple way. Let's join it somehow. Let's join it somehow like this. Let's connect it to somehow that to that member. Okay, let's smooth these member a little bit. We'll use this without the grid on so we can have a better curves. Let's complete this. Okay, I think it should connect these two members too. Okay, this is not able to connect. Let's make this somehow smoother. This is fine. This one is looking good too. Okay, it is also fine. I think this is fine. All we need to do here is this member looks a little weird, so I'm going to delete this one and add this truss here. Let me bring it to the mid somehow, like here. It's fine. This is fine. Oops. Let's support this here. Of course, if we going to play it, it is not going to work fine. See, it broke here because this part is just too much. This part has too much stress. So we add a support here, and then we see if this part is fine. This would fine because there is a lot of trusses above this. Actually this what is it? This pen. By the way, what if we do something like this? I just got this idea. What about like this thing here, like this? I think not from here. I think from here to here it would be fine, like this. And now we fill it with wood. Also, I think this would be too much. This would increase our cost too much. So let's not too much innovation in this. And okay, let me replicate this, thinking about something like this. Paste it here. Oops, it didn't work. I think this needs to move a little down. Let's delete these. Oh, this is making me crazy. No, let's make this now something like this. And now let's copy this, flip it, and then place it above each other. Paste this and close it. Now let's complete this thing and try to make it somehow closer, like this. Oh, what was that? Let's try and see. Okay, this has give it some kind of support. I can pause it. See, there are too much stresses in these member. This member has stress, this member has stress here, and these members are in too much stress, as this part is kind of cantilever, not cantilever, it is supported in the mid, but because of the weight it is going to cause too much moment here. So let's modify this. I think I should bring it somehow like this. This is looking fine. Let's add another support here. Let's use this curve and add a perfect geometry like this thing. Fine, let's clear this thing and let's complete this. Now we can use this tool to bring all these forces to the wall. So think it is fine. Let's see it, how is this going to work. Okay, the car went there fine. Oops, okay, this member has too much stresses, these members, so we need to work on these members. First, I think that this should be made a little smoother, much smoother, like this. and same like here, and here we can add this wood here. Let's delete this member and add the truss here. Now for this, I think we should replace this with steel. And now let's see. Okay, now the problem is here, so we need to do a little more work here. Here is some problem. I think replacing this with steel may simplify this issue. What did I do? Turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's play it again in 100 and see where is exactly is the problem. Okay, so let's reinforce this road and let's change this road to, let's see. Okay, this is looking fine this time. I think it is going to work. It is going to work. Oh, this member has too much stress, this member, but we did it on 77,000. It's not bad, by the way. Let's go to the next level. Okay, and this is split level. We have 4 hydraulics, 8 steel. Chai is fantastic. We have 8 steel and unlimited wood. So for the C2, I am thinking something like this would be really good. I think this much would be enough. For the A1, it should be, oops, it has to come back too, so let's hit some smooth curve. I think this would be fine. Okay, this is fine. Now what I'm thinking is let's see if there's strong support here, so we can support this from here. Okay, wait, this was static. Did you guys see? How about let's add truss member here on this bridge going above the plane. This is a nice bridge, by the way. This is a nice bridge. Let's do something else. Let's do something really cool like this, and then bring it down like here, and then fill it with wood. And now let's complete this. This was way too easy. Completing it like this was too fun, isn't it? It was fun. You can see it is fine. It is looking fine. All we need is just we need some supports like this. If the support come from somewhere from here, how about something like this, and then something like this? And now let's complete this thing with something like this. Okay, now let's by the way, copy this everything and if this is fine like this, it is. Let's paste it here. Let's close this and let's add a bottom truss here. Let's copy this thing, flip it, bring it down here like this, paste it. Now let's use close. Let's use this tool and do the same thing we did earlier. Complete it, and now let's oops, what did I do? Now let's see. This is looking really interesting. One thing I must say, that the above bridge is too much strong. I think we can do something else. Enjoying Poly Bridge 2, please take a moment. Okay, I'll rate it, but not now. Let me do something like this. I think these members are, oops, what's going on? These members are, I think they are not needed like this, and also this needs to be go down like this. This one is too. Let's try now. Looking good. It is too good. It is way too good. So let me turn this up and bring this really down, making this way cheaper. Also this should be somehow like this. It doesn't have that much load. Okay, so I think this is fine. This looks fine. And this was a nice design, by the way. It looks like, what does it look like? It's look like something, but I don't know what does it look like. So let's leave this and go to the next level and see what is it. It is anchors away. We have this vehicle. It is 5. Okay, anchors away. I got it. What is going on here? So we may need a bridge. By the way, how about making something like this? I am thinking like, let's fill it with road. I am thinking about something. Let's copy it and rotate left. Oops, what did I do? I should rotate it like this to 90 degrees. It is fine. Oops, what did I do? Copy. I'll copy it here and then I'll rotate it left to the 90 degrees. Now I'll move it and place it somewhere like this. Paste it, close this down, delete these 2 members, also these 2 members, and now we can actually, okay, what is going on here? Copy this, paste it here, and another one I'll paste it here. Okay, this is done. So what I was thinking, if I can use this rope to support it like this, so this is going to go, it is going to support this thing, and for the bottom portion I'm thinking this is one of the solution. Like if I just make it like this is just far. This is something like, this is what I was thinking, that it would rotate the member. So this is going to rotate it like at this point. How about adding another string like here? Oh, what did I do? Okay, 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 got it. I got it. I got it. This won't rotate now. This was it. This was actually what was going on. Fine. It was really nice, by the way. 55% stress and just 14,000. Budget was too much. Let's see the next level, number 10, and if it is simple, then we do it. Otherwise, we gonna end this video now. So let's see. It is fork in the road. Fork in the road. Oh my gosh, fork in the road. So you can see a2 has to go to point A, and a1 has to go to point a1. So how is this going to work? I don't know, but I think like this a2 has to jump to point a2, and what is the, let me check how much. This is 3.5 and this is 4.5, so I'm thinking this would be fine if we make something like uh, a ramp type structure, which a2 would jump from it and a1 would fall. So this what I think the fork in the road meant here. So let's end this video here and do this level some next time. So till then, you guys should take care, and I'll give you my Allah Hafiz.